Have you ever wondered what Google has up its sleeve when it comes to unleashing mind-blowing AI magic? Well, get ready to dive into a world of tech wizardry like never before. In this video, we're about to uncover the secret sauce behind Google's latest creation, the world's most insane AI chip. But here's the burning question: what exactly makes it so mind-boggling? Stick around, because this is going to be a journey you won't want to miss. Google just rolled out its search generative experience in India and Japan. What does this mean? Well, it's a game changer. Now, people in these countries can search in their own languages like Hindi and Japanese. And guess what? No more typing. You can simply speak your queries. But that's not all. There's an awesome new feature in town. It's called the Mentioned In feature. What's the deal with it? Well, it's like your personal fact checker. Let's say you're curious about how many Oscars our buddy Leonardo DiCaprio has won. With this nifty feature, you can actually see where Google got its information from. It's like a truth serum from the internet. You'll know which websites confirm the answer. So next time you're in India or Japan or anywhere else this amazing feature is available, you'll be searching like a pro, all in your own language, and with a fact-checking superpower at your fingertips. Google just keeps making our lives easier, doesn't it? Now let's talk about something really cool that Google does with AI to find and watch our pictures. Google uses AI in a smart way to help businesses protect their pictures online with a tool called Synth ID. This cool tool adds secret marks to pictures that AI makes. People can't see these marks, but Synth ID can easily find them. Even if someone tries to change the picture, these marks stay there. These help businesses keep an eye on where their pictures are on the internet. This is like a strong shield against anyone who might use your pictures without permission or for bad reason. For example, if you're a fashion brand using AI to make beautiful pictures of models wearing your awesome clothes, Synth ID can add a special mark to each picture. This marks is like a hidden link to your website, so you can see where the picture goes online. If you need to, you can take action quickly. It's really useful way to keep control of your brand's picture on the internet. Now let's talk about some cool new stuff for Google Docs, the online writing tool that lots of people use every day. Google Docs already had basic tool to check for spelling and grammar mistakes. But here's the big news. Now it has a super helpful tool that uses AI to check your writing. It's not just regular spell checker, it's a game changer. This AI-powered helper not only finds spelling and grammar mistakes but also give you tips to make your writing better. And the best part, it doesn't bother you if you don't want it to. But there's more. Let's talk about something called Duet AI. These clever tools helps you write faster by suggesting words based on what you've already written. If you've used Gmail, you might have seen it in action, making it easier to finish sentences. Both of these features are big help for people who write a lot. They save you time and keep you from making embarrassing mistakes. But here's the really exciting part. Duet AI can now even write emails for you. Just give it a few quick points like work hard on project or ask for a raise, and it turns them into professional email that makes your case nicely. It's like having a smart assistant who knows what you want to say and how to say it professionally. You can even tell it to make the email sound more casual or friendly if you want basically. It's like your helpful friend who can help you come up with ideas and get past writer's block. But don't worry, it won't take over your writing style. Think of Duet AI as a tool to get your thoughts flowing. You still need to look it over and make changes to make sure it sounds like you. Shifting our focus, let's talk about Google's Safe Search, which is a big deal for online safety. It's important for everyone who uses the internet, especially young people who might come across bad stuff online. Google's Safe Search is here to help. Imagine you're searching for pictures in Google, and suddenly, Safe Search jumps in. It automatically blurs out any pictures that are not safe, and it warns you about it. You can choose to unblur them if you really want to see them, or you can leave them blurred. Now you might wonder why this is so important. Well, Safe Search does a few important things. First, it keeps you away from pictures that could be scary or rude. It also protects the privacy of people in the pictures, so their embarrassing moments don't show up. Plus, it stops you from accidentally clicking on bad websites. But here's the cool part. Google improves safe search using artificial intelligence. This makes it better at finding and blurring pictures with nudity, violence, or other sensitive stuff. And the best part is, it works worldwide, no matter what language you speak or where you are. And guess what? Safe search can be set up just how you like it. You can turn it on or off whenever you want and choose how strict it is about filtering pictures. You can even lock with a password so no one can change it without your permission. Alright, let's talk about something super cool from Google. A super smart computer chip for AI. It's called the Google TPU version 4, and it's designed to be the best at AI stuff. So what's the deal with the TPU thing? Well, it stands for Tensor Processing Unit, but everyone just calls it TPU. What makes it special is that it's made specifically for AI tasks. It can do all sorts of clever things like machine learning, deep learning, understanding human language, and seeing things like a computer. This chip is like super fast math whiz, which makes it awesome for teaching and using AI. Now the idea of a TPU isn't brand new, but Google has given it a big upgrade with a TPU version 4. It's twice as fast as the older TPU version 3. In terms of speed, it can do up to 1 quintillion calculations in just 1 second, which is a crazy big number. But here's the really cool part. The TPU version 4 can work together with other TPUs just like a team of superheroes. When you connect lots of TPU v4 chips, you create a super powerful group like a gang of friends. For example, Google built a super duper computer called Exascale with a whopping 4096 TPU v4s, and it can do 4 quintillion calculations in a second. That's just mind-blowing. But wait, there's more. Google is letting regular people use this super chip too. They put the TPU v4 into their Google Cloud, so anyone who wants to do cool AI stuff can use it. You just have to pay for how much you use it, and you're all set to work with the future of AI. And there you have it. Google is truly pushing the boundaries of AI innovation, from revolutionizing search experiences to safeguarding the internet and unleashing the power of its incredible TPU v4 chip. It's like they've got a magic wand of technology, making our digital lives easier and more exciting every day. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever wondered how AI can make your life better, or do you have any burning questions about the incredible tech we've just explored? Maybe you've got your own stories or insights to share about AI and its impact. Don't keep those thoughts to yourself. Drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of Google's mind-blowing AI magic, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech wizardry and exciting discoveries. And as always, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and stay tuned for our next adventure into the world of cutting-edge technology.